Hello and welcome back. The last point in the case of merger of two companies, and that is when the merged company is operating at a capacity to earn a profit of 7.5 million rupees. Indirectly they want to say that the company is making sales where they can earn profit of 7.5 million, and that sales we have already calculated in the previous lecture. What percentage increase in selling price is required to sustain an increase of 5% in fixed cost? First of all, what is the sales at this time? That is, we have already calculated in the previous step, 79.123 million. Because if company is making this much sales, the profit can be 7.5 million rupees. So indirectly they want to say that company is making sales worth 79.123 million rupees. Now at that time they come to know that fixed cost is going to increase by 5%. What will exactly happen? No change in selling price, no change in variable cost per unit, as a result no change in contribution per unit, no change in sales quantity, so no change in total contribution as well as PV ratio. Only fixed cost is going to increase by 5%. That means from the same total contribution, now we will have to write off 5% more fixed cost. That means profit will reduce by the amount which is exactly equivalent to 5% of fixed cost. But we don't want to lose that much profit. So we have to increase the total contribution exactly by the same amount. For that purpose, we need to increase the selling price. So we are not going to increase the quantity, but we are going to increase the selling price. What percentage increase in selling price is needed? .65 million rupees. The fixed cost is going to increase by this amount. That means we are going to lose profit by this much amount if we don't increase our selling price. Now, against sales of 79.123 million rupees, we need to increase the sales revenue by increasing the selling price by 0.65 million rupees. So, it is a matter of common sense that if we take this as a selling price, this much amount is to be increased in our selling price. So, required increase in selling price is actually 0.65 million rupees against 79.123 million rupees. Yes. See, just assume this is the selling price per unit, and we need to increase the selling price by this much amount. It will be very easy to understand this point, because we need to increase our revenue exactly by the amount of increase in cost, because we cannot increase the sales quantity. It will be very easy to assume. We cannot, or we don't want to increase the sales quantity, because it is not an easy task to increase the sales quantity according to our desire. So the percentage comes to 0.0815. We need to increase our selling price by 0.0815%. That will increase our sales revenue by exactly the amount by which the fixed cost is going to increase. That's it. Thank you very much.